you ever feel like you're just going through the motions, waking up, doing what's expected, but quietly wondering, is this it? We're told to find our purpose. But what if that search is built on shaky ground? What if purpose isn't something you stumble upon, but something you construct, piece by piece, from the inside out? This video isn't about giving you answers. It's about asking better questions. We're going to deconstruct the very idea of purpose using first principles thinking to uncover what truly gives life meaning. I'm Darin. This is Transcendental Harmony. If you like this content, please gently tap that like button, subscribe, and share it with somebody who might benefit. It helps ripple more positivity into the collective. From the moment we're old enough to dream, we're asked, what do you want to be when you grow up? And so we chase careers, we chase titles, we chase validation. But often, those answers leave us feeling more lost than found. We scroll through highlight reels. We compare our behind the scenes to someone else's curated purpose. And we wonder why we feel disconnected. Is this search genuine? Or is it societal programming? We live in an echo chamber of borrowed narratives. But purpose isn't a slogan. It's a signal waiting to be tuned. What if purpose isn't something you find, but something you build? First principles thinking invites you to break complex ideas down to the most essential truths. Not what we've been told, not what we assume, but what we can reason from the ground up. Ask yourself, why do I believe this? Where did this idea come from? What if I believe the opposite? This isn't rebellion. It's revelation. It's the beginning of clarity. Across cultures, across time, certain motivators echo. Contribution, connection, curiosity. These aren't trends. They are truths. Your values are compass points, not dictated by society, but discovered through experience, reflection, and choice. And meaning is often found in the small acts. A kind word, a creative spark, a moment of presence. Purpose isn't a destination. It's a pattern, a rhythm, a way of being. You have a unique formula, a blend of values, inner drives, skills, but it's not fixed. It's experimental. Treat your life like a series of hypotheses. Try, reflect, adjust, and repeat. Purpose evolves as you do. It's not a static answer. It's a living question. And every choice you make, every yes, every no, is a part of the algorithm. You don't need a grand revelation. You need a grounded why. Why do you care? Why do you create? Why do you connect? When you live with intentionality, even the mundane becomes meaningful. Even the quiet moments carry weight. This is your invitation. Begin your own first principles search for purpose. Strip away the noise. Ask better questions. And share what you discover. Because your purpose isn't out there. It's in you, waiting to be built, waiting to be lived, waiting to evolve. Thank you for joining me on this episode of What is Your Purpose? A First Principles Search for Meaning. Don't forget to share, subscribe, and stay connected. And follow us for more insights on spirituality and wellness. Thank you for joining us on Transcendental Harmony, sponsored by Tranquil Transcendence. Take care, everyone, and I'll see you in the next episode. Until then, namaste.